today's introduction Italo, I will introduce my family. He is my father. His name is Michael Makianus Talo. She is my mother. Her name is Madeline Tudugire. She is my sister. Her name is Asera Jovita Talo. That's my family. My father, my mother, and my sister. Thank you. Bye-bye, madam.
Good morning, madam. So, my name is Gabriel Ezekiel Lohina, and I'm gonna introduce my family. This is my father. Her name is Bonificius Antonius Lohina. And this is my mother. Her name is Palpina Lai. This is my first brother. Her name is Gottlieb Fikrianda Dohina. And this is my second brother. Her name is Gilchrist Abisai Dohina. That's all for the family introduced. I'm sorry if there any mistake. Okay, that's all and thank you. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, madam. My name is Claudia Grace Batuk. Here I will tell you how to make chocolate milk. Before making it, we need tools and materials. The tools and materials we need are glass, glass and tablespoon, chocolate milk, and warm water. Okay. Let's go into how to make chocolate milk. First, pour 3 tablespoons of chocolate milk. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then pour warm water into it. Okay. Finally, stir until mixed. And it's ready. The chocolate milk can be served. Thank you, madam.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Bunga. My name is Fides. So we'll help you how to make energen, material and tools. 1 sachet energen, glass, hot water, tablespoon. Take 1 energen sachet. Pour 1 energen sachet into a glass. After that, pour enough hot water and mix well. Finally, hot energen ready to drink.